Imagine a simple night routine that can transform your health and well-being. Drinking turmeric before bed is a time-honored practice that offers a host of health benefits. In this video, we'll explore the many reasons why you should consider making turmeric water a part of your nightly routine. Let's dive in. Often recognized for its vibrant yellow hue in curry dishes, turmeric offers more than just taste. When mixed with water and taken at night, it becomes a beneficial health drink, providing a range of benefits. 1. Regulate blood sugar levels. Turmeric, a spice with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. Recent research highlights curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, for its ability to regulate blood sugar levels by enhancing insulin sensitivity and reducing insulin resistance. A study in the Journal of Endocrinology and Metabolism found that curcumin improved fasting blood glucose levels and insulin sensitivity in people with type 2 diabetes. Drinking turmeric water at night is an easy way to incorporate this spice into your diet, helping to reduce fasting blood glucose levels and improve insulin sensitivity, benefiting your overall health. 2. Supports liver health. Due to its unique compounds called curcuminoids, including curcumin, dimethoxycurcumin, and bismethoxycurcumin. These compounds have strong antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and hepatoprotective properties. A 2020 study in the journal Antioxidants showed that curcuminoids neutralize harmful free radicals, reduce inflammation, and promote the regeneration of damaged liver cells. Additionally, turmeric water supports bile production, crucial for breaking down fats and eliminating toxins. A 2019 study in the Journal of Food Science and Technology found that turmeric extract improves liver function by increasing bile production and flow. Drinking warm turmeric water at night can be a simple way to support your liver health. Try adding a glass to your bedtime routine to show some love to your liver. 3. Lower cholesterol. High cholesterol can increase the risk of serious conditions like heart disease and stroke. Turmeric has been proven effective in lowering cholesterol levels by reducing LDL, bad cholesterol. Drinking 1 glass of turmeric water daily can help maintain your cholesterol levels and support overall heart health. 4. Prevents heart diseases. Another significant benefit of turmeric is its ability to reverse many steps in heart disease. Curcumin improves the functioning of the endothelium, the lining of blood vessels, and regulates blood pressure. It also speeds up blood clotting on wounds, enhancing healing. Curcumin decreases the risk of heart attack by 65% and prevents cardiomyopathy, a condition that makes it harder for the heart to pump blood. 5. Prevents cancer. One of the clinically proven benefits of turmeric is its anti-cancer properties. Thanks to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, turmeric reduces the risk of cell mutations and cancer. Turmeric water helps lower the risk of cell damage in the body, and research shows it can even repair damaged cells and has anti-tumor properties. 6. Improves brain function. Turmeric water is known for its potential to enhance brain function. Studies show that curcumin found in turmeric can improve cognitive function, memory, and reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Research in the American Journal of Geriatric Psychiatry revealed that curcumin supplementation improved memory and attention in individuals with mild age-related memory loss. Curcumin reduces brain inflammation, which can hinder cognitive function, and increases levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein that supports the growth of new brain cells and enhances synaptic plasticity. If you want to boost your brain power, try turmeric water tonight, and aids in weight loss. Turmeric water at night has gained popularity as a weight loss remedy. A 2019 study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that compounds like turmerone and curcumin in turmeric can reduce fat accumulation and improve lipid metabolism, helping your body burn fat while you sleep. Additionally, a 2018 study in the Journal of Functional Foods showed that turmeric increases bile production in the liver, essential for breaking down fats and promoting better digestion, aiding in weight loss. 8. Reduces anxiety and depression. Turmeric water at night can help reduce anxiety and depression thanks to the powerful compound curcumin found in turmeric. Curcumin has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and neuroprotective properties that combat anxiety and depression. Research titled Curcumin in Antidepressant Treatments highlights these benefits. Besides curcumin, turmeric contains over 100 other beneficial compounds like turmerone, which also support mental health. Drinking turmeric water at night promotes the release of serotonin and dopamine, neurotransmitters that regulate mood and sleep. This natural drink acts as an antidepressant and improves sleep quality, essential for mental health. Incorporating turmeric water into your nightly routine is a simple, natural way to help manage anxiety and depression. Try adding this golden goodness to your life today. 9. Relieves joint pain. Turmeric water at night can effectively relieve joint pain due to its strong anti-inflammatory properties. Besides curcumin, turmeric contains over 200 unique compounds, including turmerones and gingerols, which contribute to its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects. These compounds inhibit the production of inflammatory chemicals called cytokines, which cause joint pain and stiffness. A 2016 study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that a combination of curcumin and essential turmeric oils provided better pain relief and improved joint function in people with osteoarthritis compared to curcumin alone. This golden drink not only eases joint pain, but also helps you sleep better with its natural soothing effect on the nervous system. 10. Improves digestion. Drinking turmeric water at night can enhance digestion by stimulating bile production, which helps break down fats. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties also reduce inflammation in the digestive system, promoting better digestion. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is well known for its digestive benefits, but other compounds like turmerone and turmeric also contribute. A 2015 study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that turmerone increases the production of digestive enzymes, improving digestion. Another study in the Journal of Food Science and Technology in 2018 showed that turmeric reduces gut inflammation, protecting against digestive disorders. However, turmeric can interact with certain medications, so consult a healthcare professional before adding it to your diet. 11. Boosts immunity. Turmeric contains unique compounds that enhance your immune system. Besides curcumin, turmeric has gingerol, which boasts potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Gingerol helps neutralize free radicals, boosting your immune system's ability to fight infections. Another compound, bisdimethoxycurcumin, stimulates the production of white blood cells essential for fighting infections and activates the immune response to pathogens. Drinking turmeric water at night can boost your immune system and improve overall health and well-being. 12. Promotes healthy skin. Turmeric water at night can transform dull, tired skin into a radiant complexion. Turmeric is packed with health-promoting compounds, including curcumin, turmerone, and R-turmerone. These compounds boost collagen production, the protein responsible for skin elasticity and youthful appearance. As we age, collagen production decreases, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. Drinking turmeric water can help reverse these signs of aging, giving you a more youthful look. Additionally, turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties help fight acne and other skin infections. For beautiful, glowing skin, try drinking turmeric water at night. 13. Improves erectile dysfunction. Turmeric has been used for centuries to treat various ailments, including erectile dysfunction. It contains unique compounds like R-turmerone and xanthorazole that contribute to its health benefits. R-turmerone stimulates the production of adult stem cells in the brain, which can help regenerate damaged tissues, including nerve tissue that plays a role in ED. Xanthorazole has antispasmodic properties, helping to relax the smooth muscles in the manhood, allowing for increased blood flow and improved erections. If you're looking for a natural way to potentially improve ED symptoms, consider adding turmeric water to your nightly routine. With these benefits, turmeric water has proven to be a versatile and powerful natural remedy. Now let's talk about how to prepare turmeric water. Making turmeric water is straightforward, and there are several ways to do it. Here are 2 simple ways to make turmeric water. Method 1, you will need turmeric powder and water. Ingredients are 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 cups of water. In a small saucepan, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and stir well. Reduce the heat to low and let the mixture simmer for about 5 minutes. Remove from heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Pour the turmeric water into a cup and enjoy. Method 2. You will need a fresh turmeric root, about 2 inches long, and 2 cups of water. Start by rinsing the turmeric root under cold water to remove any dirt or debris. Grate the turmeric root using a fine grater or chop it into small pieces. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil in a small saucepan. Add the grated or chopped turmeric to the boiling water and stir well. Reduce the heat to low and let the mixture simmer for about 10 minutes. Let it cool for a few minutes. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to remove any lumps or impurities. Pour the turmeric water into a cup and enjoy. You can also add a bit of honey, lemon, or ginger to your turmeric water for extra flavor and health benefits. Just be sure to stir well before drinking. It's also a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before adding turmeric to your diet, especially if you're taking any medications or have a medical condition. As we conclude our journey exploring the incredible benefits of turmeric water at night, we hope you feel inspired to try this powerful drink. Thank you for watching this video. Please share it with friends and family to spread awareness. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the next video. See you next time.